Make-ahead egg muffins. Egg muffin cups are perfect on their own or tucked between a couple of pieces of toast for a quick breakfast sandwich. They're healthy, naturally gluten-free, and low in carbs. Ingredients in egg bites. A. 10 large eggs. B. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. C. 1/4 teaspoon salt. D. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder optional. E. 1½ cups diced ham or 8 slices bacon, cooked and crumbled, or half a pound sausage, browned. F. 1/2 red bell pepper diced. G. 3 tablespoons white onion minced or 2 green onions thinly sliced. H. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese or your favorite blend of shredded cheese. I. 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Note: 1. Eggs. Use large whole eggs. You can also use half egg whites from a carton or egg substitute. I season with salt and black pepper. Feel free to add other seasonings, herbs, or parsley. 2. Vegetables. Bell peppers and diced onion add flavor. These muffins are versatile. Try mushrooms, broccoli, chopped spinach, or diced tomatoes. 3. Meat. Ham, sausage, or bacon are great options in these egg muffins. You can use deli ham, leftover ham, or other leftover meat. 4. Cheese. Sharp cheddar is a great choice for these muffins, but you can use almost any kind of cheese. Pepper jack or Monterey Jack would taste great too. How to make egg bites. 1. Grease the muffin tin well or use silicone liners. 2. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with the shredded cheese, half and half, salt, pepper, and garlic powder if using until combined. 3. Add the diced vegetables and ham into the muffin tin. 4. Top with beaten egg. 5. Bake until they are set, puffed, and light golden, 15 to 18 minutes. They will deflate once removed from the oven. How to store and freeze. 1. Refrigerate cooled egg bites in a covered container within 2 hours and eat within 4 days. 2. To freeze any remaining egg bites, arrange them on a baking sheet. Place the baking sheet in the freezer until solid, about 1 to 2 hours. Place the frozen egg bites in a zip-closed freezer bag and freeze for up to 2 months. Thaw the egg bites in the refrigerator overnight. 3. Reheat egg bites in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds, or place them in a baking dish and heat them in a preheated 350 F oven or toaster oven for about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.